Don't be afraid.
This piece is called Mind, Body, Spirit. It is by the artist Fernand and is 55 by 32. If you're interested in purchasing or have any other questions, everything will be linked in the description bar below. Jumping straight into it, I'm just brushing my brows out so I can create the desired shape that I would like. And I'm using my slim brow pencil from Shop Miss A. So I'm just creating a line at the top, the bottom, and now I'm filling it in. And then I'm creating some hair-like strokes at the front. Now taking my foundation shade, and I'll be using this to clean up my brows, both the top and the bottom. And I'm also taking it on my lids to prep it for eyeshadow. Now taking my Amuse Cosmetics Glamour on the Go palette, and I'll be using that black from the palette, and I'm just creating a smoked out wing. I just used whatever flat surface I had, sharp edge I had, and just helped me to create that blown out wing. And then I took that color and placed it on top, and now I'm taking that pinkish color and I'm putting it on my lid. Now I'm just taking the second color that I used along with a little bit of black, and I'm just putting it in my crease, and then I'm gonna go back on top on my lid, and I'm just creating like a shape, cleaning it up a little bit. Now I'm taking my foundation shade and I am just cleaning up the wing. Now going in with a liquid black liner, and I just wanted it to be a little bit darker, so I'm just creating a wing with this. Now I'm taking my brow pencil again, and I'm just creating the desired eye shape I wanted for this mask. I never wanted it to be a circle. I wanted it to look like a cat eye type of eye mask. So yeah, you can just watch me while I'm doing this part. So this is it all mapped out. So I'm going into my iMagic 12 color paint, whatever, thingamajiggy, and I'm taking that black and I'm just carefully going over the lines that I drew, and I'm also filling it in. The reason why I did a V in the middle, I wanted to combine both the Catwoman, the Halle Berry Catwoman, and the other Catwoman together, but whatever, it turned out how I wanted it anyway, so it was good. So yeah, I'm just filling everything in carefully with a paintbrush, and then I go in with a smaller brush and go in with the details. Oh, this is just me. I made sure I put it in my hairline. Like, I didn't care. I was gonna wash my hair anyway, so I put it all the way in my hairline. So I made a mistake. I didn't show it though, but I'm gonna tell you, I did not set everything that I did where the eye is concerned. I tried doing it after I did all this. So yeah, I got a little transfer from the black. It didn't show. So now I took my Jordan Cosmetics and I just set everywhere the black was. Now going in with my primer and I prime my face and then went in with the same foundation, not concealer. So yeah, I'm just doing a regular face, that's all. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Face into bronze, and I am just setting where I put my foundation. I'm using this Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder in Chestnut, and I'm using this to contour my face. And I'm also putting some of my Cupid's bow because why not? Now, because my eyes run water, I did this last. So I'm just taking a gel liner and I am creating like a cat eye thingy in a corner, and then I just took some white paint out of the same thing and I'm just creating the stitches. Yeah. Creating some random stitches. Going in that pink lip liner and I'm just putting it on my waterline, and then I'm gonna go in with the same black liner and I'm gonna go right on my lash line with this, and then I'm gonna take some white paint and I'm gonna put it right in that area. Then listen, I took some red paint because your girl was lazy. Don't judge me. I got some transfer on my teeth from the paint. I found it funny. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying my Halloween tutorials, and stay tuned for more. You know it's coming. It's October. Why not? And follow me on all my socials. Everything will be linked in the description bar below, but it's under Formosa Fantasy. And yeah, subscribe, like, share, you know the whole deal. Bye, beauties.